Stop scrolling. These garlic chicken wings taste like they came straight out of a restaurant. Crispy or juicy, you control it. Wash the chicken wings and cut each one into 2 pieces. Rinse them once more and let them drain. Now for the marinade, add 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, mashed ginger and garlic, 1 gram of black pepper. Mix everything really well. Let the wings marinate for about 30 minutes. While that's resting, take 2 whole heads of garlic and mince them. After marinating, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and mix again. This helps the wings stay juicy and get a nice texture. Heat a pan over medium-low heat. Spray in about 1 tablespoon of oil. Then add the chicken wings. Since we are using very little oil, keep flipping and shaking the pan so nothing sticks. If you want them extra crispy, go ahead. Use a little more oil and fry the wings until they are golden and crunchy. Once the cut sides are fully cooked, take the wings out and set them aside. Leave the oil in the pan. Turn the heat to medium-high. Add the minced garlic and cumin seeds. Stir until the garlic gets soft and smells amazing. Now put the chicken wings back in. Add 1 more tablespoon of light soy sauce. Stir everything for about 3 more minutes. Just like that, your garlic chicken wings are done. Thanks for cooking with me. Like and subscribe to Bay's Kitchen. See you next time.